I just wanted to do a little quick weave video to show you guys how I installed this hair into my head. It's just quick and easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So right here, these are my edges straight right here. This is the leave out. Also, you always want to make sure that your braids are skinny, because having skinny braids just makes your weave look so much better. Like, you don't want to have like bulky braids and then it's like a big lump and it just looks fat and nasty. So you put your wig cap on like this. I like to sew my wig cap down just because I know that when I get to cutting my wig cap, it's not gonna be like falling off and stuff like that. So, and I also like to make sure that the string is like hella long so that I'm not really running out of string while I'm sewing down. Honestly, I don't really like the straight needle because I always poke myself. I hate that more than anything.
Got it out the mud, then you did me dirty. Lessons I've been learning, so don't ever tell me that I ain't worth it. I am my own woman, I can't keep packing up your burdens. I'm the one who's hurting, gotta love myself more than what I'm serving. I am my own woman, independent, don't need anybody. Okay, maybe I can't be with just anybody. Yeah, niggas come and go, I keep self-control. Yeah, Coolio, hotter than Sahara climbing. Put me down, I'm climbing, I stand tall. Even with my back against the wall. Dropped everything when you call. Who gon' catch me when I fall? Kept reminding me of my flaws. Held you down through it all. I got it out the mud, then you did me dirty. Lessons I've been learning, so don't ever tell me that I ain't worth it. I am my own woman, I can't keep packing up your burdens. I'm the one who's hurting, gotta love myself more than what I'm serving. I am my own woman. Smoking a hootie hook, no back and forth about who and you. My forever little whoopie-whoop. Got hitters with them sticks that clap more niggas than a booty. Do no do hope to be interviewed just to get in the hoochie quick. I won't let up, need to let up. Fuck them letters, fuck you so good. I've hit it, Julio mixed together. Knew I could do better, had your back. Gucci sweaters, many lies, spreading like thighs, ties. I got it out the mud, then you did me dirty.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this was a great little demonstration for you guys to learn how to do a quick weave. It's not that hard, it's quick. And I pray that you guys have a marvelous day. Love yourselves, speak your truth, and seek wisdom.
Bitch.